Hey Joplin, this is Chris down here with Mike Bettis, and Baxter Springs, Kansas was hit by a tornado this afternoon. He came down here. They was tracking this storm along with many storms today. Mike, kind of give us an insight of what happened today.
Well, a lot of storms that we were following middle of the day. It took them a little while to get going, but we followed a storm in Baxter Springs, actually abandoned that storm and followed another one that was farther south and headed over toward Neosho. We have also had a tornado touchdown there, and next thing you know, we heard reports of some pretty significant damage in Baxter Springs. Had to come back and check it out. We were about 45 minutes away or so, but traffic jams to get into town, and we got here, saw some pretty significant damage.
That's always hard to hear on families, but again, we're going to restore, and it's going to be bigger and better for Baxter Springs as well.
Yeah, it's tough. We were here, a couple years ago where Joplin never had seen anything like that before, and tough to see, similar places getting hit again, just a couple of years later. It's tough to see.
Do you see this a lot more? Is there a fluctuation in the weather lately that has caused this more or less as compared to other years?
Years fluctuate one year to the next. 2011 we had the most tornadoes we had ever seen in the U.S. Then just last year, the least amount of tornadoes we had ever seen. So it fluctuates from year to year. Sometimes they just hit open cornfields, sometimes they hit cities.
Unfortunately, yes, they do. Well, thanks, Mike Bettis, for all your help and support. God bless.